Hey there, welcome to today's video. If you're new to crypto and looking to learn more about one of the most exciting projects, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about SUI, a high-performance blockchain designed to make crypto faster and more scalable. We'll go over its history, what sets it apart from its competitors, its milestones, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what SUI is all about. All right, let's start with the basics. So what is SUI? SUI is a Layer 1 blockchain built for high throughput and low latency. It's designed to be super scalable and fast, which means it can handle a lot of transactions per second. It uses something called Move, a programming language originally developed by Facebook's SUI Blockchain to enable better security and more flexible smart contracts. Now the cool part is how SUI handles data. Unlike most blockchains that process transactions one at a time, SUI's architecture processes transactions in parallel. This makes the network more efficient because it doesn't have to wait for each transaction to be processed one after the other. In simple terms, think of SUI like a highway. While other blockchains are like single-lane roads where cars, transactions, can only move one at a time, SUI is like a multi-lane highway where many cars can drive simultaneously. This allows for faster processing and less congestion. Now let's dive deeper into what makes SUI's technology so powerful. At the heart of SUI is the Move programming language, which was originally developed by Facebook's SUI project. Move is designed with a focus on security and asset safety, making it ideal for handling digital assets and complex smart contracts. But what really sets SUI apart is how it leverages Move's capabilities. SUI's consensus mechanism and transaction model are built to take full advantage of Move's features, allowing for safer, more efficient code execution. This combination of Move's security-focused design and SUI's optimized architecture creates a blockchain that's not just fast, but also incredibly secure. Developers can write smart contracts with confidence, knowing that the underlying technology is designed to prevent common vulnerabilities and protect user assets. SUI was founded by Mysten Labs in 2021 by a group of former DApps engineers. They saw the potential in DApps's Move programming language and decided to build a new blockchain with it. Their goal was simple, to create a blockchain that could scale like no other. Now let's talk about funding. SUI's fundraising journey is quite impressive. In its early stages, it raised $36 million in a Series A round, and later went on to raise even more funds to push its development forward. This funding helped SUI attract major talent and investors who believed in its vision for a scalable, fast blockchain. Let's talk about some of the major milestones SUI has achieved so far. Launch in mainnet. SUI launched its testnet in 2022, which was a huge step for the development of the blockchain. After some time in the testnet phase, it went live on mainnet in 2023. Transactions and TVL. Since launching, SUI has processed millions of transactions. At the time of writing, SUI has reached over 3 million transactions. Along with that, TVL, total value locked, on SUI has been steadily growing, showing that people are trusting the ecosystem and locking up their crypto assets to take advantage of its features. DApps. There has been a huge interest in the SUI ecosystem from developers. The number of DApps, decentralized applications on SUI, has been growing rapidly, with many new projects launching on the platform, bringing more adoption and use cases to SUI. One of the most impressive indicators of SUI's success is the rapid growth of its ecosystem. Let's look at the numbers. SUI's total value locked, or TVL, has skyrocketed to over $20.9 billion, representing an extraordinary jump from just under $250 million at the beginning of 2024. This massive increase demonstrates that users and investors have tremendous confidence in the platform and are actively locking their assets into SUI-based protocols and applications. But TVL is just one part of the story. The real excitement is coming from the developers building on SUI. We've seen over 100 active decentralized applications, or DApps, launch on the network. These range from DeFi protocols to NFT platforms, gaming applications, and much more. New projects are launching regularly, bringing fresh innovation and use cases to the ecosystem every single day. The transaction volume tells another compelling story. SUI has processed millions of transactions, proving that the network isn't just theoretically fast, it's actually being used at scale. This real-world adoption is crucial because it shows that SUI isn't just a promising technology on paper, it's delivering on its promises in practice. What's particularly exciting is the momentum. The ecosystem is growing at an accelerating pace, with new developers joining the community and new applications launching regularly. This creates a virtuous cycle, where more applications attract more users, which attracts more developers, which leads to even more innovation. This is exactly what you want to see in a blockchain ecosystem, and SUI is experiencing it right now. There are other blockchains out there that are also trying to solve scalability and performance issues, and they include big names like Ethereum. Ethereum is the most well-known smart contract platform, but it struggles with high fees and slow speeds. Ethereum 2.0 is working to improve these, but SUI is already ahead in terms of scalability. Solana. Solana also focuses on speed and scalability, but it has faced some issues with network downtime. SUI, with its parallel processing approach, aims to avoid these types of outages and offer even faster performance. Aptos. Aptos is another project that came from former Diem engineers, just like SUI. Aptos is also focused on scalability, but SUI's unique features like parallel transaction processing set it apart from others. While these projects are similar in some ways, SUI differentiates itself by offering an architecture that doesn't just rely on one chain processing everything. Instead, its parallel execution model makes it stand out in terms of speed, security, and efficiency. To help you understand how SUI compares with others, let's break it down. Speed and scalability. SUI's biggest strength is its parallel transaction execution, which allows it to handle more transactions in less time. Solana also does well here, but SUI's architecture is more robust, with a focus on preventing network failures. Security. While Ethereum has the biggest network effect, its scalability issues have led to security concerns. Solana's outages have raised questions about its reliability. SUI, by using Move and focusing on high throughput, is designed to be both fast and secure, reducing the risk of issues that can affect other chains. Ecosystem and developer adoption. Ethereum has the largest ecosystem, but SUI's growing developer base and the increasing number of DApps shows its potential for future growth. The ability for developers to build on SUI without the limitations faced by Ethereum and Solana gives SUI a strong edge in the long run. SUI has attracted some major partnerships to help grow its ecosystem. Some of the notable ones include Piedmont Capital. This partnership has helped SUI raise funds and build out its blockchain ecosystem. FTX Ventures. Before FTX's downfall, they had partnered with SUI to support its growth, which shows the interest and belief in the project. Aptos Labs. While technically a competitor, SUI and Aptos share many similarities and have been compared for their technical expertise, further elevating the reputation of SUI. These partnerships have been instrumental in helping SUI gain the support and resources needed to grow its platform. So, there you have it. SUI is a fast, scalable blockchain built to solve many of the issues that have slowed down other projects. With its impressive milestones, growing ecosystem, and unique features, it's clear that SUI is going to be a major player in the crypto space for years to come. If you're looking for a blockchain that combines speed, security, and scalability, SUI might just be the project to watch. Keep an eye on it as it continues to develop and evolve. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more educational crypto content. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth guides on the hottest projects in crypto. Drop your thoughts or questions about SUI in the comments section below. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, keep learning and keep investing smartly.